to my channel. My name is Charlotta, as you probably know, but if you're new here, welcome. Do hit the subscribe if you like this kind of videos or other videos that you can find on my channel. This is a little bit different than my usual videos. The other ones are more about painting and crafting, creating all sorts of things. It is actually only 5 degrees in, so I do not need this fan right now. It is Christmas time, Christmas Eve, 24th of December 2020, and I've just done my nails, so that is what I'm gonna share with you guys. How to make chrome nails at home, and I am using Nail Sensation UK. So let's jump straight into that. The SENSATIONAIL Starter Kit comes with the LED lamp, a primer, a nail file, base and top coat, and 2 different colors. So this one came with red and black, and I tried the red one on one of my hands, and then I kind of prefer the black one, so I changed it to black afterwards. But here I'm applying a base coat of the primer, and I'm letting it air dry. And then I'm applying 1 coat of the base coat, and then drying it under the lamp for 15 seconds. You don't need to time this. The lamp will blink twice when 15 seconds has passed. I had to place my thumb separately because my fingers are so long they couldn't really fit comfortably at once, but that's fine. Then on with the nail polish, gel nail polish, and I'm applying 2 coats of black and drying it in between under the lamp for 30 seconds. So you leave it under the lamp for 15 seconds, then it will blink, you keep it there for double 15, and then it will switch off by itself. And that's how you make the basic just black gel nail polish with this SENSATIONAIL. But if you want to add a chrome nail, I'm now going to show you that after I applied the second coat. And something that I noticed with this one is that it stays a little bit tacky in between. So the LED light lamp isn't meant to dry it completely. It needs to stay a little bit tacky. And this I didn't really get in the beginning. I had to email them and ask, because I just kept putting it under the lamp and it wouldn't dry, and I was like, hey, hold on a minute, like, does this not work? And they told me it's not meant to dry completely, it's meant to stay a bit tacky until the end when you apply the cleanser. The chrome package came with 3 different powders. Now I'm gonna use the purple one. So now the nail is still a little bit tacky from the black coat, and I'm applying a lot of this powder. This was a little bit challenging in the beginning. When I bought this first, I had to try it quite a few times, and I also emailed them about this to ask them for directions. And they were very helpful and kind. So I thought, why not make a tutorial out of this and show you guys how to do it, because it's not really that straightforward. First time I did it, I didn't apply enough of the powder, so it kind of looked a bit rough on the edge, and then kind of looked like just normal glitter nail polish. But you need to put a lot of the powder. You see I'm putting several coats, and then you can press it into the gel nail polish, and you can even rub it a bit like that. You see how I'm rubbing it now to make it shiny and metallic. You don't really need to worry about damaging the nail polish because it doesn't happen. I mean, you put just so much that you press it into the nail polish, and it leaves a really cool, nice, shiny, metallic look to it. And here I'm kind of just removing the excess powder so I can add a top coat on top of it after. And once you're happy with the metallic shine and you think you had enough of it, that's how it's gonna look like, a bit shiny. Now you can apply a layer of the top coat and place it under the lamp. Now this is the last coat of nail polish that you're gonna put. So the base and the top coat is the same polish. And this is gonna make it really shiny. So again, I'm keeping it under for 60 seconds. And then taking it out and applying the gel cleanser. Now this is what removes the tackiness and makes it look super shiny and bright. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you got something out of it. And yeah, so this is how they turned out. It's a bit difficult to show in this light. So yeah, that's it. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, whatever you do and wherever in the world you are. And I shall catch you in next video. Ha det bra!